Rare Mandarian duck spotted in Assam wetlands after almost a century. Rare duck spotted in Assam. A beautiful rare bird comes as a guest to the Maguri Motapanj bee swamp in Assam. A large number of locals flock to the area to see this bird, which appeared almost 150 years later. Maguri Bill, a lake in the Tinsukia district of Assam, is a natural habitat for wildlife. The southern bank of the Dibru River is home to a wide variety of birds. More than 304 species of migratory birds live here. Without significant action, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean by weight. Starting with an estimate that 150 million tons of plastic are already polluting the world's oceans, and that leakage adds at least 9.1 million ton more each year, a figure that is said to be growing by 5% annually. The MacArthur report calculates there will be 850 to 950 million tons of ocean. Some restaurants in Japan use monkeys as waiters. Monkeys serve as waiter in this Japanese restaurant. They get bananas as salary and soya bean as tip. In a bid to attract new customers and retain old ones, restaurants always make efforts to do something unique. In such one-of-its-kind effort, a restaurant in Japan has included monkeys to serve. In Rajasthan, each and every city has color coordinates. In Rajasthan, each and every city has color coordinates. For example, asterisk White City, Udaipur is called the White City of Rajasthan because of so many lakes. It is also called Lake City, asterisk Blue City. Jodhpur is called the Blue City of Rajasthan and it is also called Sun City. Pink City, the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur and it is called Pink City of Rajasthan. Yellow City, Jaisalmer is called Yellow City or Golden City of Rajasthan. A concept plane has been discovered, but wraparound screen to show what's outside. A windowless plane that nonetheless allows passengers to see what's going on outside, as well as checking their email and surfing the net. In a vision of what the next generation of commercial aircraft could look like in little more than a decade, windows would be replaced by full-length screens allowing constant views of the world outside. Passengers would be able to switch the view on and off according to their preference, identify prominent sites by tapping the screen or even just surf the internet. Iceland is the only country in the world with no mosquitoes. Iceland is one of the few habitable places on the planet that is mosquito-free, and nobody really seems to know why. It's not nearly as cold as Antarctica, which is so frigid that mosquitoes, and people, for that matter, could never survive exposure to the elements there for long. The world's first ever space hotel with artificial gravity. An out-of-this-world space hotel is set to open by 2027. The ambitious hotel named Voyager Space Station will be the first ever space hotel with accommodation for 400 people. Along with the hotel rooms, the space hotel will also have its own bars, cinema, restaurants, libraries, concert venues, a health spa, gym and earth viewing lounges. Orbital Assembly Corporation (OAC), the company building the Voyager Space Hotel, said that its construction will begin in 2025 with the intention of launching it into the cosmos and opening it to guests by 2027. Rare moonflower blooms for first time in the UK. A rare Amazonian cactus called the moonflower bloomed in what botanists believe is a first for the UK. Experts at Cambridge University's Botanic Garden live-streamed the flowering of the moonflower, which lasts just 12 hours from sunset to sunrise. The plant is believed to be the only specimen in the UK, and worldwide it's listed in only 13 botanic gardens. Swipe left for more at Twitter. 2 Days Zoo. The flower produces a sweet-smelling scent. It turns rancid after just 2 hours. 17,300 years old kangaroo painting recognized as oldest rock artwork in Australia. Australia scientists have discovered the country's oldest known rock art, a 17,300-year-old painting of a kangaroo. The artwork, measuring 2 meters, was painted in red ochre on the ceiling of a rock shelter. It was found in Western Australia's Kimberley region. Its age was determined by radiocarbon dating ancient mud wasp nests. Swipe left for more at Daily Mail. Few hours ago. The painting is a life-size drawing of kangaroo. A human chess game played in 1924. It took 5 hours and ended in draw.
Human chess, living chess or live chess is a form of chess in which people take the place of pieces. It is played in 1924, took 5 hours and ended in draw. Human chess is typically played outdoors, either on a large chessboard or on the ground, and is often played at Renaissance fairs.
New York Central Park is nearly twice the size of the entire country of Monaco. The Principality of Monaco is smaller than Central Park in New York. Central Park is approximately 2.5 miles long and a half-mile wide, totaling 843 acres. With its 0.78 square meters height, 2.02 km squared area, the Principality of Monaco is smaller than Central Park, and its 1.31 square meters height, 3.41 square kilometers area. Over 200,000 people have already applied for a one-way trip to colonize Mars in 2020. Over 200,000 people from more than 140 countries have applied for a one-way ticket to Mars despite the 7-month journey in the hope of establishing the first human colony. The organizers of the Mars One mission announced that 202,586 people have submitted videos explaining why they should be chosen for the £4 billion project.